Hey, nice group we got here. What do you think?
Yep, nice group indeed.
I know. Take a look.
When did they bring the food out?
They're not going to bring the food out. We're here. We're here to eat.
I know, but I'm so hungry.
I know.
I gotta eat something now.
I know, but don't think about it. Try not to think about it. We'll eat later, okay?
Oh, okay, right.
Okay, folks. Now what we'd like to do is we'd like to.
I can't help it. I'm so hungry.
I know, but don't think of.
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I could eat most anything.
I know, but we're not here.
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I've just got to eat something.
I know, but what we're gonna do is we're
A
gonna.
big sandwich with lots of fries, a pizza and some chocolate pies, hot dogs, milkshakes, donuts too. I'm so hungry. What can I do? Oh my! I'm so hungry.
We can
I'm so hungry. I could eat most anything. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I've just got to eat something. Oh.
I know, but listen. Stop it right now. After the show, I'll get you something to eat. Okay? All right? Promise.
But I can't wait until then.
Well, you're gonna have to because I want you to look out there. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see?
A whole bunch of people.
Right, exactly. And they are thinking right now, what are they thinking?
They're thinking that they're hungry too.
No. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Not at all.
What
Not
did
at
you
all.
mean?
Well, these people are your audience. Yep, see them? And they're waiting for you to...
The pizza delivery man.
No pizza delivery.
You
No
know they
pizza.
have a 2-for-1 special.
But not today. No. We're here to entertain them.
They want me to entertain them?
Yes, they do. That's exactly why they're here. Now sing them a song, please.
Okay. I'm so hungry. I'm so
No,
hungry. I could eat most anything.
Not that song.
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
Just stop. Just stop for a minute. I think it's better if you don't talk about food, okay? Stop it for a minute. Just a minute, okay. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to be doing something. We're going to do a song.
Your hand is tasty.
No, that's terrible. Why would
I'm
you?
sorry. It's just that I was so hungry.
I know, but listen, we're going to have to stop using the hungry
What
word.
words?
Don't use hungry. I'm hungry.
Me
Okay.
too.
I know, but
I'm
that's
so hungry. I'm so hungry. I could eat most.
No, just you're gonna have to stop. Are you finished? Are you finished? Promise? Honest? Okay. If you're finished, then I don't know what's gotten into my friend. I'm sorry. He's not usually this way. So I'd like. Ugh! What are you doing? What are you doing? Were you licking my hand? Is that what you were doing? Oh, stop! Just stop!
Finger
Stop! Hey.
food. Yum.
I know, but it's not finger food. I'm going to have to put you away, end the show. End the show, we'll go home. It's not very nice to all these people that are here.
Please don't. I'll be good.
Okay,
Please.
promise? Okay. And I'm going to do it. I don't know what I'm going to do with you, but let's...
It's
Okay,
just that
we'll try.
every time I think about food, I get so...
No, don't say it now.
Okay.
Don't say it.
I won't.
Okay. So now, listen, just talk about something else besides
Anything?
food. Anything besides food. No food. Okay.
Anything except...
Okay. No. Shh.
Well,
Don't say it. Don't say it.
okay. How about the weather?
The weather. The weather's fine. You can talk about the weather.
Today's weather makes me so hungry.
No.
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I could eat most anything. I'm so hungry.
I know, but-
I'm so hungry. I've just got to eat something.
No, stop. I'll give you one
Oh,
more
you're a
chance.
Peach.
No food. Don't talk about food. I mean it. One more chance. Okay?
Thank you. We do make a great pair.
No food. Remember? Not so much as one other food item.
I'll
Okay?
be in a real pickle.
No. Listen. No. Count to 10. I want you to count to 10. Okay?
Count to 10.
Yeah. Count to 10. That'll do it. It'll keep you from thinking about food.
I'll do it.
Okay,
Thank
ready?
you so much.
Yeah, thanks.
You're the greatest.
Thank you very
You're
much.
as sweet as...
No. Count to 10. Count to 10.
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3. Hey, it's working.
I told you. Keep it going.
4, 5, 6. I got all the way to 6.
I know. Keep it going. We're doing great now.
7, 8, 8, 8. I ate pizza. I ate cake. I ate chocolate. I ate French fries.
No, sorry, folks. I don't know what else to do. I've done everything I could.
Can of beans. Can of soup. Can of...
I'm so stuck. You're driving me nuts.
I love nuts. Almonds, pecans, cashews, pistachios.
I'm sorry, everybody. I give up. I just give up. I don't know what to do. We'll get you something to eat right now.